Well, today we saw a little bit of sunshine out there and a whole lot of melting snows. Our temperatures are all basically above that freezing mark. But live Doppler 2X, despite the above freezing temperatures, still tracking a little bit of light snow shower activity. Again, most of this coming down as a little bit of light rain. But as we zoom in a little closer here to Urbana, Rosewood, right along U.S. Highway 36, that's where you could see a couple of wet snowflakes mixing in from time to time. Again, all of our temperatures above freezing. 40 degrees this afternoon in Piqua, 35 degrees Mechanicsburg, 36 in Wapak, and 39 degrees in Union City. So some good news there. The problem comes, though, a little bit later tonight. As our temperatures start to drop off and we have more moisture rolling in from the west, that's when we could see some icy patches developing. Some black ice, maybe even some freezing drizzle by the time tomorrow morning rolls around. But for right now, on our network of radars, again, not too much to track across our area. However, if we head just a little further off to the west here, you can see our next storm system. But the good news with this system is it looks as if the track is going to be off to our north and west. So that means we're going to be in the warm sector of the system, and all those winter storm warnings and winter storm watches, winter weather advisories, they're all going to stay off to our north as well as off to our west. So this time we miss out on the snow for a change. And of course, I think that's a welcome change for most of us here. Again, take a look at those warmer temperatures down to our south. 52 in Louisville, 46 in Lexington, and close to 60 degrees in Paducah. Now, I don't think we're going to get quite that warm, but upper 30s, lower 40s, and if we're lucky, maybe even the mid-40s, definitely possible if you live to the south of I-70 both Sunday afternoon and possibly even into Monday morning as well. But for now, Sunday morning could see a little bit of freezing drizzle out there. Just be careful. It's not going to be widespread, but it only takes a little bit to cause some big problems. But notice how quickly our temperatures rise above freezing, and towards the afternoon, pretty close to 40 degrees with some on and off rain showers. Right now, 38. Our winds out of the south, 5 miles an hour, giving us a wind chill of 34 degrees. And our average for this time of year, 40 and 24. Still below average, but I'll take it. Earlier this week, we were down there in the lower 20s for high temperatures. Our weather checkers also calling in quite happy with the warmer weather. Barb Shively over in Union, 38 degrees. Barbara Richards in Kettering at 40. And then Lowell Miller over in Greenville reporting 39 degrees as well. So a fairly comfortable afternoon considering the time of year. Now tonight, I think our temperatures will drop below freezing, down to about 27 or 28 degrees, just cold enough to get us a little bit of freezing rain. That's possible in the morning hours tomorrow. Future track showing those clouds increasing, and that drizzle will be on the light side. As we start off the day, 32 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. By noon, those rain showers will continue to move in. It looks like our high temperature is going to be right around 38 or so, and then as we continue on through the period, again, all that snow staying off to our north. Fantastic news. We're going to get a little melting done here, and eventually, well, yeah, the snow comes back into our forecast as well. We'll see some snow showers in here by Tuesday and Wednesday, but those accumulations should be very light as our temperatures drop off later in the week.
Any possibility of flooding with the high temperatures and the rain?
You know, as the rain comes in on Sunday and Monday, maybe around some local streets if those gutters are cut off with a little bit of snow, but other than that, shouldn't be a big deal.
All right, Eric, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Hutch, don't you just love this warm weather?
Hey, you know, colder here than in Vancouver. They could use the cold weather, I'll tell you, but the Americans stay hot as far as the middle count. I'll give you an update. Plus, the girls' basketball tourney tips into high gear. Stay tuned. 2 Sports is on the way.